Today I'm going to make a delicious mutton recipe called Achari Gosht curry. To begin the recipe, first we'll heat the oil in a pan. As the mustard oil has reached smoking point, I'm going to add sliced onion. Cook till they are golden brown in color. As the onion starts sweating, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. Now cook the ginger garlic paste till the rawness is gone and onion is golden brown in color. As the onion is golden brown in color, I'm going to add mutton now. After adding mutton, I'm going to add red chilli powder, salt. Now cook it for at least 2 to 3 minutes till the mutton starts browning. As the mutton color starts to change, I'm going to add tomato puree and cook it for at least 5 more minutes. I have cooked the tomato puree for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add Achari masala to it. The recipe of Achari masala is given in the description below. Cook it till the rawness of the masala is gone. And to avoid the masala getting burned, I'm going to add little water and cook it for more 2 to 3 minutes. The rawness of masala is gone. Now I'm going to add curd for richness. Now lower the heat and mix it nicely. Now I'm going to add water to it. Give one final mix. And cover and cook it for at least 20 minutes. While the mutton is getting cooked, let's prepare our stuffed green chilli, which will add tanginess and spiciness to the mutton curry. For stuffed chilli pickle, I have taken Bhavnagari mirch, which is also known as pickle chilli. I have deseeded it. To the pickle masala, I'm going to add lemon juice. Mix it nicely. The pickle stuffing is ready. Let's start stuffing it in the chilli. Take a little masala in your hand, roll it up and stuff it in the chilli. Guys, our Achari Gosht curry is almost ready. Let's add the stuffed green chilli which we made earlier and cook it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And there you go guys, our Achari Gosht curry is now ready. You also do try the recipe and do let me know how it turned out. This is Chef Pratik signing off. Take care and goodbye.